Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to give like to a note on Instagram. So let's start. Just let's go to Instagram, and then when we are on Instagram, let's go to our inbox section. Just click there, and as you can see there are notes from our followers. Remember that only we can see the notes from followers if the follower follow you back. So if the follower don't follow you back, you can see them. Well, so for giving like to a note, just give two taps on the note. For example, I will give like to this one that says music. So let's give 2 times that. As you can see, I give like to this note without any problem, and now you can see that the like appears there. So in this way, you can give like to the notes that you want for your followers. It's very simple and easy. I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.